Hi guys, today I will show you this Xiaomi Mi Weighing Scale. So just try to weigh myself. So right now it's showing 80.4. See, there's indication L, so probably it's something to do with the low battery. I will replace the battery now, so I'll show you how to do that. Try to replace the battery. So the battery compartment is at the bottom underside. So just release the lock. Then you can see the batteries. So for AAA batteries, just remove. Make sure you put the battery in the right polarity. Okay, so I have here 4 new AAA batteries, not Energizer but Kodak brand. So I hope this one works. So the negative part is there, the positive on the other side. So negative is with the spring. Okay, let's put this back. So you can see it's like a restarting. I think let's wait for that to finish. Now it's set to 0, so I'll try again. Put this down the floor. Try to use it again. Showing 81 right now. It's a bit different before. Then it's finished. Okay, no more L. Probably the battery is low earlier, that's why it's giving a different reading. Okay, that's it. This is the Xiaomi Mi Weighing Scale. Thank you for watching.